sounds like. I played a good song, the kind that you could write a book on. You changed it halfway through the chorus, and then I realized I didn't like it so much. At least half the time it's funny conversation about the breeze outside and sipping on some coffee every day. It's fun and it might be a lie. Either way, I don't really know. 'Cause when I scream for ice cream, you scream 'cause you don't even like me. Or ice cream, we scream for pretty different things. But I think we could be a pretty different thing if you've been